In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect WhatsApp to N8N so you can automate messages, respond to customers, and build powerful workflows using the WhatsApp Business Cloud API. Start by setting up your WhatsApp Business Cloud API through your Meta developer account. Once your app is ready, obtain your access token and phone number ID, as you'll need these when connecting WhatsApp to N8N. Next, open N8N and create a new workflow. Add a WhatsApp Business Cloud node or a WhatsApp trigger if you want your workflow to start whenever a new WhatsApp message is received. Configure your credentials by entering the required API information from your Meta app. Once connected, register the webhook URL provided by N8N and verify it in your Meta developer settings. This allows WhatsApp to send incoming message events directly to your workflow. After the connection is complete, build your automation by adding the nodes you need. For example, you can send automatic replies, notify your team, update a spreadsheet, create CRM records, or connect to AI tools for intelligent conversations. To test the integration, send a message to your WhatsApp business number and verify that the workflow is triggered correctly. If you plan to send automated responses, you can continue expanding your workflow with additional actions and conditions. Once everything is working as expected, activate the workflow. N8N will continue listening for incoming WhatsApp events and automatically execute your workflow whenever the configured trigger is activated. And that's how to connect WhatsApp to N8N. Configure your WhatsApp Business Cloud API. Connect it to N8N, verify your webhook, and start building powerful WhatsApp automations.